Crazy that it's all AI, right?
So, Seedance 2.5 just came out, and in this video I'm gonna compare Seedance 2.5 with the previous AI video generator models like Flux, Kling, Omni and Seedance 2.0. So let's get into the video. So the way I did this is I made one prompt with Claude and I used that prompt to make all the AI videos with the different models. I made this character sheet for our videos because I wanted to generate the videos with Will Smith because, you know, he's a standard for comparing AI video generators for some reason. But actually Seedance 2.5 doesn't allow public figures. It kind of sucks, but I made a kind of lookalike. It looks a little bit older and yeah, but it's alright. It looks like Will Smith's father, maybe. So I made this character sheet and I put this into the reference image of Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.5 and then Kling 3.0 and Flux 3 and Gemini Omni Flash. And I'm gonna compare these 5 video generator models because I think these are the top 5 at this moment. So let's continue with the prompt. The man in image 1, face shape, short face cut, light beard / gusty, warm brown skin tone with natural texture, exactly as in the reference, as you can see. I'm not gonna read all of this, but let's get into the action. Man is seated at the table, twirling spaghetti onto his fork. With practiced ease, relaxed posture, sea breeze lightly moving his shirt collar. With AI video generators now you can give like details like this, and this is how you can generate the perfect video that you actually want. Because I could just give a prompt like black man is eating a spaghetti in an Italian restaurant. But if I build a prompt like this, then the video generator actually knows what I want. So that's how. And if you want a tutorial about how to build the perfect prompt for these video models, then I will make a video about that too. Says the fork down, blah blah blah. He basically eats a spoon of spaghetti and then says, crazy that it's all AI, right? Then he holds a smile, maybe a grin, something like that. Then I describe the camera and optics, lighting, physics and audio and the continuity. So with that said, let's watch what it made with Flux 3 video. Here's the video, let's see. Oh yeah, because with Flux we have to give a reference image, but it just sucks, so that's one thing.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
Yeah, it doesn't even finish and you can see the mouth and it's not really realistic. It's good for some people and it's cheaper than Seedance, but let's see then maybe Kling 3.0. It has to be better.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
I would say it's more lifelike, but there are some weird, you know, the teeth are not perfect.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
But yeah, the motions are much better here. Let's watch Gemini Omni Flash.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
So yeah, as you can see, it's much better. So I would rank Gemini Omni Flash the best so far. And it's actually pretty cheap for the quality you get. So it's not a bad model. At the start, it's pretty weird. You know, the eyes are a bit weird there, but then it clears up. So maybe if you generate something, you can just cut this down and start from here, then you're all good. Let's get into the good part of the video. Let's watch a Seedance 2.0 version of this exact video.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
Honestly, I don't think most people could tell that this is AI. I think Seedance 2.0 was already like there. It was like nearly perfect because you can't, the teeth are perfect, the movements, even the pasta looks like real, you know. and all the reflection.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
All the shadows. So it's already a pretty good model, but let's watch Seedance 2.5. Starts at a different angle.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
So if you want, you could tell the difference, but for my eyes, it looks kind of the same. It's a little bit better, I would say.
Crazy that it's all AI, right?
You know, the realistic movements are better here, I think. This left. Yeah. So this is basically the difference. It's a very little difference. You can get away with Seedance 2.0 if you want, but on Higgsfield right now, if you choose Seedance 2.5 second videos, you can actually generate free 10-second videos with Seedance 2.5, but it's only up to 720p. So that's one thing. You can generate full HD or 4K with it, but with Seedance 2.0 you can generate 4K videos, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. So here are all the videos generated in order that I will put them in, and if you want to try Seedance 2.5, I will leave a link in the description below where you can try it for free for 30 days. So it's a pretty good deal. And in the next video I will talk about how you can make prompts that you can use for AI video generator models that actually give out good results. So if you are interested in that, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified when I post that video. And that's it, boys. See you guys there.